In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your PC. First, go ahead and launch open a web browser and go to your Steam website. Type in store.steampower.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Steam account, and then after you are, click on the search button at the top and type in Euro Truck Simulator 2. Once you make a search, scroll down and click on the download button right next to download Euro Truck Simulator 2 demo. Now, you'll need to answer if you've got Steam downloaded for your PC. If yes, click on yes, Steam is installed. If not, click on no, I need Steam. Now once you click on this option, it'll simply get you to this page where you can simply click on the install Steam button. Now once the setup file has been downloaded, launch it open and then install Steam for your PC. Follow the on-screen prompt and install Steam on your PC and then click on the finish button. Launch open Steam application after you are done. And then, now once the installation is completed, it'll download for necessary updates for the launcher. After it's done, log into your Steam account by entering your Steam account name in the first text box, followed by your Steam account's password. After you are done entering the credentials, click sign in. Enter the code that is sent to your email address associated with Steam, and you'll be able to log into your Steam account. Now search for Euro Truck Simulator 2 in the search bar at the top right. After you are done, on the next page, click on this download link right next to Euro Truck Simulator 2 demo. In the pop-up, if you want to create a desktop shortcut for Euro Truck Simulator 2, check this first box. To create a start menu shortcut, check this second box. If you don't want any of these options, you can uncheck the box and then right under Install 2, select your location where you'd like to install the application. Click the settings button and select your file location from the options. After everything's done, click on the install button and you'll be able to download Euro Truck Simulator 2. Simply launch open the game and enjoy the free trial. That is how you should be able to download Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your PC. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.